Now we are going to start with a unit that is the universe. As you are familiar with the all celestial bodies which appear in the universe, like you all are familiar with the sun, the moon, the planets, these bodies are actually known since the you can say to a mankind since the existence of life. In ancient time, people used to consider these things, the sun, the moon, the planets and many other bodies which appear, they considered them as gods and the spirits. But with gained knowledge about them, like as you know that with modernization, the people gained much knowledge. So due to increased knowledge and due to you can say a lot of people who are working on the scientific issue, they have actually led to many conclusions leading to the related to the universe. They have known, they have discovered many theories which actually prove that how the bodies came in the universe and what are the functions of those bodies. So actually you know that there are many people who are still working on this project. So the people who actually deal with the study of these heavenly bodies, they are called as astronomers. They are called as astronomers. And the branch of science that deals with the study of these heavenly bodies, the science is called as astronomy. So actually we can conclude now that if somebody says universe, then what does it specify actually? As you can clearly see in the picture, that universe looks like this. It actually consists of many heavenly bodies that exist. So we can say that universe is the vast surrounding space which includes everything. That means the earth also, and the things which are actually visible to us, they are not close to us, they are far, but still we can see them. So those all things are you can say they all constitute the universe. As you can see, this is a complete universe which consists of so many heavenly bodies, so many celestial bodies which exist in the universe. So we are going to study here about all the celestial bodies like these stars, the planets, the different planets which are present in a solar system. Moreover, the meteors, the meteorites, the asteroids, the satellites. So we are going to study everything in detail. So this is a basic introduction that what is a universe. So I think you got it, that universe is a vast surrounding space which includes everything that we can see, like when we are standing on earth, we can see that, and we can actually visualize it from like many other things from that. So this is all about the universe, and the people who are the volunteers who are actually making us aware about all the heavenly bodies that exist, those people are called as astronomers, and the science that deals with it is called as astronomy, right? So we are going to start with another details like about the heavenly bodies.